friends, welcome to my new video and right now आप देख सकते हैं कि मैं नाश्री टनल से गुजर रहा हूँ. I'm on my way to an amazing and beautiful place. I hope you will definitely love the video and the place as well. नाश्री टनल को श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी टनल भी कहा जाता है और ये 9 किलोमीटर्स का डिस्टेंस कवर करता है. Yes, so let's get started. Some journeys are really memorable, and you know, company or people along with you make it comfortable and memorable for you. Hello friends, once again, and guess where I am? I think it's enough to guess. Most of you would think that it's Kashmir, but it is not. I am in Bhaderwah. It is called Mini Kashmir, the unexplored heaven on earth. And the video which I have made for you will say everything, why it is called unexplored heaven on earth. And I'm sure you would definitely love it. So let's get started and enjoy the beautiful view out there. Thank you. In today's world, I believe no one has time for himself or herself. But it is very important to spare some time for yourself and take a break from your daily routine. Do you know why it is important? Because it rejuvenates you, it refreshes your mind and soul as well. It depends which place you are at. I personally believe when you are amidst nature, you have a different experience. It's an escape for you from your daily routine. When everyone says I'm busy, you must think about it, that how important that break is. So just spare some time for yourself, take a break and have a different kind of experience so that you become a better person. That is what I feel. Nature is magical. The need is to feel it. The need is to appreciate it. The flowing stream, the greenery around, the beautiful flowers. What else you want? You know, I always feel nature has so much to offer. But do we have time to enjoy it? It's a question. In this video, I have tried to capture the amazing sights. I mean, the sights that were amazing to me. I have tried to capture those sights. Now you all can see a butterfly sucking nectar from a flower. Amazing. It's really amazing. I mean, it's so soothing. It's so soothing to be amidst there and enjoy the scenic beauty and the greenery around. This video was specially made for those who love nature and also those who don't spare time for themselves. I just want to convey to them that if you spare some time for yourself and be amidst nature, you will be able to refresh and rejuvenate yourself. So do it, please. Have a great time ahead. Bye.